Nextify.ai is the next generation of AI advertising creation. It is an all-in-one tool that can help you create viral ads for your products or services. It can help you also create in bulk content on social media for your own brand that can get views, shares, likes, follows, and goes on. So you can use this software to grow your social media accounts and also to run ads so you can make much more sales. If we go here, we can see that we can use all of those types of ads and AI softwares to help us create ads. Here we can see real looking actors making ads. It is an all-in-one AI advertising studio for our ad needs, so you don't need to log in to different tools and pay different subscriptions and then connect all those tools to make those real looking and nice ads. You can just use nextify.ai and you can make amazing ads. Let's see this ad, for example. Here we upload an image, we paste a prompt, we click then generate, and here is our ad. In just a few clicks, you can have those amazing ads for your products or even services. AI talking actor videos. We can create in different languages real looking ads, which could normally cost us hundreds or in some cases thousands of dollars by picking up actors that Nextify.ai has ready for us or just creating even our own avatar. Now we have the product and human interaction. You see that the real looking person can hold your item if you have a physical product and make the advertisement like that, which is amazing because people trust when people use a specific product or service and don't just run an ad with an image, for example, or just a product. And this can work, okay? You see this ad, for example, it doesn't have a person, but it shows really nice and obviously women who want to buy bags and like bags would get very interested. Now we have e-commerce unboxing and mobile app showcases. This is amazing. It is really advanced, okay? No matter the type of product or service you sell, this software can handle everything. We have the actors, we have all those actors, okay? You can pick anyone you think it matches more the product you want to sell. And many things, okay? Many things. Let's go to see a bit the pricing. This is a no-brainer. I will leave a link down in the description of this video where you can sign up for free and just create your first ads. We have the starter, you see the price here, the Pro 47, Business 126. Those prices are ridiculously low for what this software has to offer to us. Now, let me show you an ad that I created by using just Gemini and video ad using nextify.ai. Let's go here and see the four variations. Amazing. Let's go to the second. This is even more advanced. We have a typo, but you can fix it. Okay. So if you see any error, you can just type here the prompt again and write what was wrong. It will fix it. The third ad. And this is very good. This is very good. So you see all those effects, all those 3D things, everything is just generated automatically. This is normal video ad, no UGC ad. Okay, you could create a UGC ad also for iPhone. It would work, I guess, much better. And remember, I used a couple of minutes to create those ads. I haven't spent time, focus, or anything, just a few clicks. So if you are serious about creating ads to make a lot of conversions for your online business, you can spend a bit more time and you can do amazing things. Let me show you now how I did it, especially for those who are newer to this. I choose Kling, okay, and then go to Gemini and paste to Gemini a prompt. The prompt is simple. iPhone 11 Pro Max Gemini help is the first thing that I paste on Google, so Gemini pops up. And then I used, this text script. iPhone 11 Pro Max, I want to make a video ad, 15 seconds duration, Kling 3.0 Omni used by nextify.ai software. Make sure that you make the script for the video ad for Nextify.ai software. Here we have some key points to remember if you use Gemini or perhaps ChatGPT. We need the name of the product. We need to tell what type of ad we want to make. Here is a video ad. We need to tell Gemini or ChatGPT the duration, so the script is not too long or too short. We type here, really important, so the text script is correct, the type of AI tool we use, and then we tell that we use nextify.ai, and we will have a script ready to post. Now, if it happens, Gemini or ChatGPT to post you some details about Nextify, for example, you just tell him, just post me the text script as mentioned. Okay, you copy the script. Here, okay, we have the hook, we have the value, and we have the call to action. We copy that and we just paste it here and then click generate. Let's see also
Stop wasting money on video editors and camera gear. Experience the future of content creation. Nextify.ai turn a text product image into viral video ads in just one click. Get 5 free credits right now. Claim your trial at Nextify.
So this is an ad I created for Nextify, and it has this woman talking. Very good ad. This is everything. Don't forget to click the link down in the description of this video to claim your free credits. This software is a no-brainer. It will save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars hiring a marketing agency and doing all this work for you. Just paste your prompts and everything will be fine after some iterations. Thank you very much for watching.